Particular bot is being copied by 44 individuals and it has made a total profit of 61,000 percentage of profit. Yes, I'm going to show you how to copy this particular robot and it will be trading for you. Type trading bot in your KuCoin exchange. It will redirect you to this page. You will see the top earning bot. Guys, let's first click more so that we view more trading bots. Like some of these bots, the minimum amount you can use in trading them is 10 USDT, depending on the particular bot you are using. Guys, you have to select the coin, select the bot that you want to use. After that, you click create. When you click create, you have to input the amount in USDT, the amount of bot, the amount of USDT that you want to use in trading this bot. This one, the minimum amount, let me just check the minimum amount. The minimum amount is 13.7 USDT. Let us use all our USDT, that is 13.8 USDT. After that, you have to click create. When you click create, you have to cross check all these things and you confirm. This is how to trade with bot in KuCoin exchange.